Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to get free Robux on Roblox. You can get a free Robux through Microsoft Rewards. First, search in Google Microsoft Rewards Robux. Scroll down. As you can see in here, it says, to receive 100 Robux for free, user must complete one Microsoft Bing search on Microsoft Edge on desktop or mobile for 5 days. So, you need to do this for 5 days in a row. You'll just have to use this browser, search anything you want, like in Google Chrome. Before you do it, don't forget to sign up first. Just click Sign In, then sign in your Microsoft account. You can also do daily tasks in here to gain more points, so you can trade to more Robux. Then that's it. That's how you can get free Robux in Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you on my next tutorials.